I've just started the trail to Street and Nye. Sun goes down at 8 p.m. tonight. It's like an 8-mile hike, 2,600 feet elevation gain. So this will be high peak number 10 and high peak number 11 for me. We are to the river crossing. You are not supposed to put up cairns, but in this case that's actually really helpful for me because there's no clear indication of where you're supposed to go into the woods over here. Look at that, that's pretty. All right, let's cross this waterway. You can see this could be dangerous in high water, but thankfully it is sun and the water is not high. Man, look how clean this water is. Look at that. Whoop. Gosh darn it, we just got wet. Looks like it's just the top of my boot. By the way, this hike is an unmarked trail. That doesn't mean that there's not a trail. It just means it's not like marked with little tags and that sort of thing by the state. Crossing another stream. Let's see. Whoop! Got it. Thank goodness. Just crossed this stream and I noticed this weird thing up this rock. Oh, it's a stove. 1894. Troy, New York. Number 36. Stove company. Well, you never know what you're gonna find on one of these hikes. That's for sure. I just checked the map. We're about 0.9 miles from the junction, Street and Nye, 1,200 feet elevation gain. Moving at a snail's pace. At this point, it's pretty steep. I've passed 2 groups of people, surprisingly. Well, 3 in total. That's not too bad. All right, we are at the junction of Street and Nye. It's taken 2 hours, 45 minutes. Left will take you to Street. Right will take you to Nye. Looks like there might be a little lookout here on this rock, maybe. I'm gonna get any views. That's where we're going next, I think. Street. Yep, there's the McIntyre Range, some more. A couple high peaks. This feels like it takes forever, good gosh. We're looking for a wooden sign. High peak number 10. Nye Mountain. Oh man. Got up here, that's all that matters. Nye Mountain, number 10, number 11's gonna be Street. Total time to get to Nye is 2:57. Started to get pretty slow going there. All right, Nye Mountain. It's been fun hanging out up here for, 2 minutes, but it's time to go. We've got a date with Street after all. Right, back at the split. From here, how far is it to Street? Good question, let's find out. It's about half a mile and 350 feet elevation gain. Realistically, should be able to do that pretty quickly, although I'm starting to get worn down energy-wise, so who knows how long this will take. High peak number 11. Woo! We did it. It took me 28 minutes to get from that junction to here. Not gonna spend a whole lot of time up here. Do a little looking around, drink some water, and we gotta skedaddle. There's all sorts of little herd paths around this summit. It's a pretty good view right there. Looks way more significant in person, trust me. But yeah, that's impressive.